But yeah, he's not getting married.
नहीं मस्त है, फेक वेडिंग वीडियो भी मस्त है, लोगों को लगने लोग की शादी होने वाली है। पर मैं जो तुम्हें बताने वाला था वो ये नहीं था। हमारे यहाँ ना जब ये कोरोना शुरू हुआ था तो कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जो सुपर वो होते हैं कि नहीं अखबार भी नहीं आने चाहिए, अलाउ नहीं करना चाहिए किसी भी तरीके से, मेड्स अंदर नहीं आनी चाहिए, मेड्स को सैलरी भी नहीं देनी चाहिए, सब थोड़े स्ट्रिक्ट ओवरली लाइक पैरानॉइड कुछ लोग थे हमारी बिल्डिंग में। तो आज दोपहर को ग्रुप में पता लगा कि उनके फ्लोर में, हमसे कुछ 5-6 फ्लोर ऊपर, उनके फ्लोर में 3 घरों में वो हो गया है, बीमारी आ गई है, सबको सबको क्वारंटीन पे डाल दिया है। तो बड़ा मजा आया कि वो नीचे, तो उनके ऊपर नीचे वाले लोग ना इतने महीने से जो इनकी बकवास सुन रहे हैं वो कह रहे हैं हाँ ऐसा करो, इनके फ्लोर में अलाउ मत करो किसी को आना। तो वो ग्रुप के अंदर आके सडनली आज चिल्लाने लगे कि नहीं आप लोगों में दिल नहीं है क्या, आप लोग इंसान नहीं है, आप सोचते नहीं है हमारी फैमिलीज का क्या होगा, यू हैव टू अलाउ अस टू, ऐसे थोड़ा ना, थोड़ा बुरा टाइम आया तो आप भूल गए सब कुछ। एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक स्टेयरिंग एट 40-50 साल के लोग भी था। जब 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 ये बीमारी दूर थी तब सबको बड़ा टेंशन था, जब रोज 10-15 केस थे, अब हजारों में जब रोज केस आ रहे हैं ना और सबके खुद के घर तक पहुंच गई है, सबके रंग वंग सब बदल गए। ना वो चाहते हैं कि कोरोना में किसी इंसान पे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए, मेड क्या जिसको आने आ जाओ। वो ग्रुप में बोल रही क्या टेंशन है, बीमारी सबको हो चुकी है, तो वो लोग बोल रहे नहीं नहीं लिफ्ट आपके वहां पे बंद कर देंगे कि लोग तो मजे मार रहे हैं, व्हाट्सएप है। आई जस्ट फाउंड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, क्योंकि आजकल लोगों की वो मेरे मम्मी पापा के घर के वहां पे भी अभी 2 पुलिस वाले किसी के घर के नीचे आके खड़े हो गए हैं अभी, क्योंकि किसी ने कंप्लेंट डाली कि जिनके घर में कोरोना हुआ था वो सुबह सुबह मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए बाहर घूम रहे हैं तो किसी ने उनको देखा और उनकी फटके चार हो गई और उन्होंने पुलिस को बुला दिया। तो अब 2 पुलिस वाले उनके घर
अरे
के
मैं
नीचे
भी
खड़े
किसी को
हैं।
जानता हूँ। सी मेरे मेरे फैमिली में भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो मतलब क्वारंटीन में सपोजिटली, सो क्वारंटीन रूल्स आर दैट यू डोंट इवन इन योर ओन कंपाउंड यू डोंट जस्ट रन अराउंड एंड लाइक इंटरेक्ट। ये तो मतलब कंपाउंड में लाइक दे हैव इनफ लैंड सो दे वॉकिंग अराउंड कंपाउंड टॉकिंग टू नेबर्स एंड वेविंग देयर हैंड एंड ऑल दैट क्रैप। पुलिस को बुलाया, पुलिस के हेल्थ वर्कर्स के, दे लाइक सी वन मोर कंप्लेन आप जेल में जा रहे हो, अगला क्वारंटीन विल बी इन जेल। दोनों अंकल और आंटी चुप चुप बैठ के लाइक अभी भजन गा रहे थे घर में। लाइक
यार
थोड़ा
वो
दिमाग तो लगा ही दो।
अभी स्पेशली जब वो निकला है ना कि जब एयरबोर्न ट्रांसमिशन भी हो रहा है एंड लाइक कंफर्म हो गया है, लाइक डब्ल्यूएचओ ने तो जुलाई में बोला था, बट अभी सीडीसी का भी अपेरेंटली एक कंफर्मेशन रिपोर्ट निकल निकल पब्लिश होने वाला है। एंड लाइक यहाँ पे लोग सडनली कह रहे हैं अच्छा इट्स नॉट द ऑब्वियस फेज, इट्स नॉट दैट द पर्सन हैज टू कमेंट्स, क्योंकि माय फेवरेट थ्योरी वाज सम कह रहा था, somebody said कि क्या कोरोना, ओनली इफ somebody spits in your face you will get it one of the people who was arguing कि ये क्या मास्क पहन के क्यों जा रहे हैं बाहर, तो it was like only if somebody spits in your face, it's only the people who जो पान खाते रहे उनके थ्रू ही मिल रहा है
हाय हाय।
I enjoy, मैं
और
बताऊँ ना
someone
like
has to sneeze on your face.
सिक्स या कि वो इस मुंह के अंदर घुस के कोई अगर छींक के जाए तभी जाके कुछ होने वाला है। I enjoy these theories now, like अभी आज मेरे पापा मुझसे बोल रहे कि लग रहा है ये सब चीजें सीरियस हो रही हैं, पूरी बॉडी पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है। मैंने कहा पापा 6 महीने हो गए मैं बोल रहा हूँ हेल्दी हो जाओ हेल्दी हो जाओ अब आप कह रहे हो कि लग रहा है बात सीरियस हो गई है। मस्त है यार।
It just for me, it's like uncles and aunties doing the holding your breath test. I'm like, hi, this is not the test for corona.
वो भी इतने सालों से इतनी
Yeah, I hear a
सिगरेटें
lot
फूक
of
रही
shit, man.
है
Like juice and drink and like you get vitamins to improve that crap, this crap. I'm like, ठीक है अभी करो, but
Kevin,
immediate cure तो नहीं
if
होगा.
in my opinion, and this may sound like a very creepy, weird opinion, but if you have more naturally sourced vegetables in your diet or naturally sourced food in your diet, it is a good way to get yourself healthy. But to assume that that alone will take away the disease is a bit extreme. कि अगर तुम्हारी बेस है, आई थिंक इज द नंबर वन थिंग दैट इट हैज मेड पीपल सो हेल्थ कॉन्शियस। जैसे अनलॉक शुरू हुआ हमारे यहाँ और मैं देख रहा हूँ इतने लोग सड़क पे सुबह सुबह चलने आ रहे हैं ना, दिल खुश हो जाता है मेरा। लाइक सुबह 4:30 से 5, और सब उनकी सबकी, हम सब इंसान एक तरीके से सोचते हैं ना, सबको लगता है 4:30 जाऊंगा कोई नहीं होगा, 100 लोग खड़े हैं रास्ते में 4:45 को मैं जब साइकिल लेके साइड से आ रहा हूँ 100 लोग खड़े हैं वहां पे मजे मजे चल रहे हैं, सबको लग रहा है कि अकेले है। एंड बाय 6 o'clock there are so many people outside, like 5:30, 6, like it's like heaps of people outside, क्योंकि सबको हेल्दी होना है, ऑफ सीजन है नॉर्मली।
वैल्यू पता लग गई लॉकडाउन के बाद।
हाँ, पर बात वही है, लाइक दैट्स वे आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि लाइक एक पुश आया है फिटनेस की तरफ, बट
आई होप इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म चेंज, ये नहीं कि सिर्फ 2 महीने करके वापस घर में बैठे हैं सब।
नहीं, बात ये है ना, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स ऑफ पीपल के दिमाग में जो अभी है वो है कि जब कोरोना खत्म हो जाएगा सबके दिमाग में एक है कि उनको सोचना है ये खत्म हो जाएगा। मैं आज पापा से बोल रहा था ना, आई फेल्ट वेरी मॉर्बिड सेइंग ना, पापा खत्म नहीं होने वाला है ये ऐसे, इट्स नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर, दिस इजंट गोइंग टू मैजिकली डिसअपीयर वन डे। नंबर बढ़ते जाने वाला है, यस इट मे प्लेटो व्हेन इवेंचुअली पीपल रियलाइज दैट दे नीड टू कंट्रोल द नंबर्स, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू गो डाउन रैंडमली। एक दिन आया December 31st, कोरोना गॉन, नया साल, एवरीथिंग्स नाइस, दुनिया सेव, दैट्स
आई
नॉट
विश
गोइंग टू
एक्चुअली
हैपन।
हो जाए ऐसे।
Wish.
Oh bhai, if
Yeah.
somebody can do magic then वो, but अभी I think last 6 months में everyone is forced to be more realistic.
Maybe you never know. David Blaine might do something. Who knows?
उसको
Anyway,
खुद
on that
बीमारी हो
note,
जाएगी।
what's up, guys? Welcome to the Vele podcast. I am your host Akash, and I am joined by the usual cast of characters. He only knows everything. Amrit.
हाँ, क्या
Yeah,
मजाक उड़ा रहा है
very-
बेशरम।
I'm complimenting you. He knows some things. Arnav.
हेलो।
And Kevin knows where I'm going with this. He knows nothing. Kevin.
Oh, shut up, Akash.
I was surprised you did like say anything in
Ke-
between.
Ke-
Oh, shut
Kevin,
up.
Kevin-
बस हो गया
Kevin-
तेरा बकवास.
Kevin, your tone was a bit too.
It was very
Say it again.
sensual.
Say it again.
Oh, shut up, Akash.
Oh, shut up, Akash.
Okay, that's disturbing
Anyway,
now. But anyways,
A lot of things have happened. The IPL has started up again. And just for our viewers, our listeners, which is Amrit, tell us what teams are you supporting, guys?
I always support Delhi Capitals जी, क्योंकि इससे घटिया नाम रख नहीं सकते थे,
हाय।
पर है हम दिल्ली से ही, तो दिल्ली Capitals.
I still like
Because-
Daredevils better than Capitals, but I get why Capitals.
Obviously, it was cool and they had a fun red and black jersey. Delhi Capitals though, मतलब हद
What is
होती
the
है।
color of their jersey now? I haven't seen. I forgot.
Blue something. पता
Don't
नहीं
forget
मुझे।
about Deccan Chargers to Sunrisers, okay? ऐसा
That
लगता है
is-
कॉफी का भैंस की पूंछ.
Coffee. Oh, okay. Sunrisers. Oh, okay. I was like, coffee? किधर से
You know,
आ-
like that sunrise coffee shit.
Yeah. I understand.
साला
अच्छी
कॉफी का
coffee.
दुकान खोल कर बैठा है वो.
No, but that
Kevin-
name makes sense. Like, I still can't believe Mumbai Indians get they like the most obvious names के लिए like Mumbai Indians. Like, इनके पास और कोई नहीं था इनकी marketing.
दे शुड उनको अलाउ नहीं करना चाहिए था।
कि बाकी सब
Mumbai
किस country
Indians.
के हैं?
Yeah.
बाकी तो
It's it sounds like there's like no one else is Indians, but हम ही हैं Indian.
Mumbai
और
Indians.
But
they
खैर,
might have meant
वो
like
मुकेश
Mumbai
अंबानी की
के
टीम है,
Indians, I don't know.
doesn't matter।
Yeah,
हाँ,
so
idea.
money talks.
Yeah, no,
money
and
talks.
no, not money talk. सब उनको ही पता है, प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे, जो प्रोटेस्ट करेगा उसको आईपीएल से निकाल देंगे.
Kevin, who are you
Oh,
supporting?
yeah.
Kochi Tuskers. They've gone.
I'm hoping Dhoni. So if Dhoni का last IPL है
Dhoni
तो
is
I
not
hope that
a
he's gone.
the
He's not a
Chennai, na,
team,
basically.
but Chennai. Yes, I understand. I don't think it's his
Chennai,
last
who cares
IPL.
about Chennai, man? Yeah, I think he
Chalo.
might come back.
Arnav,
He's on Chennai.
I feel like Arnav, are you supporting 3 teams?
I mean, I only like Chennai Super Kings because of Dhoni. Others, I really don't care about that.
That's the only reason why I've
Actually, I
watched
don't
it.
care about any IPL games.
I have always, since the beginning, chosen Delhi because I was raised there. It was the closest to a team which, you know, तुम्हारे एरिया से वो हो,
Yeah,
वरना
so-
हमें बाहर की टीम्स को सपोर्ट करना पड़ता था. जब हम
For
छोटे
me,
थे लोग
Punjab.
बोलते थे, why don't you support मोहन बगान and
I would have
East
supported.
East Bengal. पर देखा नहीं है जिंदगी में इनको खेलते
You
हुए.
need to support Cochin Tuskers now, Amrit.
स्कैम हो गया, एक ही साल में
Amrit, you
भगा
have to
दिया
support
उनको.
Cochin
सच
Tuskers.
में।
Okay.
अबे स्कैम हो गया, एक ही साल में
तो
निकाल
क्या
दिया.
हुआ? Support करो.
But
All these
Dhoni
teams-
played for वो कोची टीम or he played for Pune वाली
नहीं,
टीम?
पुणे
कौन सी team?
Pune.
Hey, don't insult his legacy like that. Poor guy.
Because the Sahara
क्यों
people
यार?
bought him in. Na?
Oh
Sahara
wait,
people.
Kevin, Shrishant played for Kochi Tuskers, I think.
Obviously, that's the only
He's coming
token
back,
He was
na?
the captain, okay? So don't you dare spill.
He's, Kevin's like, he was the captain. Don't you?
What?
Then Kevin's like,
Don't
Choro.
spill what? Spill what?
He's like, Choro.
I was about to say.
but
Anyway, Kevin, it's okay. It's Srishant, but his
Yeah.
ban has been overturned, na? I think.
हाँ
He's
उस
allowed to
यार
play.
उसकी जेल में शादी भी हो गई थी. I mean not with someone inside the jail, but when he was inside jail, he got married
जेल
also.
में शादी हो गई.
he went for वो Big Boss में, right?
Yeah, he came into Bollywood as well. He acted in one movie, I think.
Yes,
I really
हरभजन
hope
को
he has
तो
dropped
हर
this so
उसको
many times in the jail.
But I think I know why, because Harbhajan retired, na, from IPL.
yeah. I hope they keep. I was saying even in Bollywood, somebody should keep Harbhajan away from him. फिर से थप्पड़ खाएगा ये.
Such a vichar. But he's a good luck charm of
ए
India.
पागल है. I would put them both in the same room. एक और बार पिटने दो
He's a good luck charm of India. So
Kevin, उसने इतना बड़ा कोई
I don't mean to be like.
Yeah, what did he do that has
Yeah,
pissed you off to this
It was the
extent?
most entertaining moment.
Oh,
He beat him.
ऐसे. अच्छा अच्छा.
oh, okay.
He was just like an annoying character, man. Like an annoying Max character.
Okay, guys, if somebody ever hits Kevin, na, we'll repeatedly put them in the same room for entertainment purposes.
So you basically and Kevin.
Kevin से बोल मैं नॉन वायलेंट हो गया हूँ भाई, सुधर गया हूँ मैं. वो दिन पुराने हैं. पर आकाश भाई तूने मीटिंग रख के टॉपिक्स चूज करे थे, उसमें कब
Yes,
बात
yes.
करेंगे?
This very great
सही में
topics. Line of
10
topics
मिनट
we
हो गए
have.
अपन IPL की बात कर रहे हैं.
Arnav knows what the topics are. Arnav, can you care to say this topic?
आकाश ये this is cheating भाई, ये मत कर.
Anyway, so we're going to talk about 3 topics in this podcast today.
भाई मत
The
बोल,
first
ऐसे मत
topic-
बोल. नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे 3 तक शुरुआत में जो है उसमें.
That's also true. We're going to talk about a certain number of topics in this podcast today.
Because Kevin believes you guys don't listen to us beyond the 50-minute mark.
Amrit, you
तो-
don't listen to us beyond the 50-minute mark? You asshole.
मैं पूरा सुनता हूँ भाई, सुबह भागते वक्त
चलो,
डिप्रेस हो
good.
जाता हूँ हमारी पॉडकास्ट सुनकर. तो मेरी लॉयल्टी को क्वेश्चन मत कर.
So, on that note, Amrit has the first topic for us today. He asked us to, we had homework for this topic. We had to actually watch something.
नहीं गाइस, हम एक्चुअली ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि बात करने से पहले हम थोड़ा सोच समझ कर बोले, बिकॉज अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी हैव रीच्ड we feel remotely responsible for the 3 of you who listen. बट अभी सोशल डिलेमा डॉक्यूमेंट्री निकली थी नेटफ्लिक्स पे एज यूजुअल. आई मीन इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन टॉपिक अमंग पीपल कि ओ मीडिया हमें इन्फ्लुएंस कर रही है, दुनिया में हमें ये झूठ बताया जा रहा है, एंड दिस इज ऑल हैपनिंग. I fortunately got to watch this in person with Kevin, and my wife was also there. And we all had an interesting discussion about it there and then, like right after it and during it, we kept talking about it. But one of the only part of it I want to talk to these guys and ask them, जो मैंने Wednesday से इनको पूछा था, was कि the fact that हम 4 जो शायद I believe in life हमारे ethics somewhat in tune है, we can have 4 very different realities. And I don't think that was the case 10 years ago. And it took me quite a while to understand it. Like I knew there was differences, but it was very interesting for me. The only part of the documentary that I found very scary, obviously, because all of it is very scary. But it talks about how ये social networks हमें program करते हैं. Essentially social dilemma का एक base huge point ये है कि वो तुम्हारे likes और dislikes के according वो तो उनका their algorithms is going to nudge you this way or the other. But for me it was how a person's psychology and reactions to thing changes. And nudge, because हमें लगता है नहीं यार मुझे वीडियो पसंद नहीं है तो मैं नहीं देखूंगा. But how very gradually that choice itself has gone from our hands. Because I just realized, because I normally compare my opinion to friends of mine who are on the far left or far right. Like I have thankfully still enough people in my life who are on both extremes, but I am somewhat able to like have a middle ground. But it was very shocking for me to be told to my face कि जो उसकी reality itself है is no longer the same as mine. And I think for me it came to its hilt when I had not a fight, but I had a aggressive-ish discussion with one of my close friends, जो भी ये शायद podcast सुनता है, उसको पता है मैं उसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ अभी. जब ये सुशांत सिंह राजपूत वाला इशू हो रहा था, and he was listening to a narrative and he was very convinced कि वो narrative सही है. But I realized वो जो चीजें देख रहा है मैं तो वो देख ही नहीं रहा. I am not even going to the news sources that he is looking. मेरे अपने news sources है which tell me that इस तरीके से हम पागल हो रहे हैं, judiciary का हम मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, हम media पे सब discuss कर रहे हैं. But he was convinced that what he was seeing was the most, because he kept telling me, तू ये क्यों नहीं देख रहा, तू ये link क्यों नहीं डाल रहा, मैं YouTube पे तुझे ये वाला channel बताता हूँ. And when I was watching that documentary, I just realized हमारी reality itself split हो चुकी है. हम relatively 1 या 2 साल का age gap है हमें, experiences काफी same है, but our reality is no longer the same, and that is very scary to me. That is very scary to me, that people I know can perceive something so differently, and it's going to be much worse. Like when we were talking to Kevin, it's going to be so much worse for हमारे जो बच्चे आएंगे. उनको मैं सच क्या बोलूंगा? What is truth? बेटे पापा
Yeah.
सच्चाई क्या है? सच्चाई कुछ भी हो सकती है. सच्चाई ये हो सकती है जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, पर पापा मैंने बाहर देखा, and when I looked for a certain type of truth, मुझे I found evidence for it also. I found people explaining that truth is also the truth. So essentially, the thing that I would like सबका अपना अपना experience about how the psychology of each of us, the truth for each of us has just changed. There is no one thing over which we can even agree right now.
See, I think more than agreeing, what I feel is more important is learning to coexist, because like I think that was one of the things I learned in that documentary, that the fact that people are refusing to accept that we can coexist in a system with different opinions. And I know like earlier days pe wo nahi tha, like it was either majority versus the minority ka opinion. But aaj ka time pe wo shayad, I think people have lost that focus. Like, okay, now if I'm in a minority discussion and I have a point of view that not everyone's going to support, I need not stick to that. Like, I think the whole problem with social media that I realized from that show was whatever was the biggest issue that everyone was watching or anything becomes a trend. That need not be a reality, and I think that's where we all have to learn, including myself. Like, I think we need to see the different point of view, and not just stick to that social media because your mainstream things are like. I mean, for example, watching some of the like online content for like when you're looking at political content itself, rather than watching the TV shows and just TV news and just basing your information based on that, you can just watch like YouTube videos about opinions of people, and that will give you an even better perspective as to what is happening in the world. And I know that's like obviously those people can be completely incorrect as well, but it's essentially like a blog. If you think someone's blog is giving you some kind of neutral information that you think is useful, that I think is better source of information than mainstream media.
But everything is opinionated technically, na? In a way.
Yeah.
It's very rare that you find something that is straight
Actual.
facts, especially online. Yeah, actual facts, straight facts online or on the news or whatever. There's always an agenda attached to it most of the time.
Yep.
So news
Even
channels, yeah, go on.
blogs will be जो अपन search करते हैं, right? It depends on what we search online, whether it's YouTube or any social media app. So it also depends on what type of content you have been consuming before. उसके according, all these social media platforms, they will recommend you content. I think one of the point was कि जो इनके recommendation systems होते हैं, they are so influential in a way कि they know exactly what we want based on our past searches or history या जो भी
It's
है.
basically an echo chamber. Like you can, तुम उसी के अंदर तुम, they are just expanding your circle in a certain direction. कि to assume, I think that क्या कहते हैं, kangaroos are green in color. Assume. I don't know, मैंने कभी kangaroo देखा नहीं है, but I assume kangaroo is green in color. मैं मान के बैठा हूँ. And now the world that is going to be built around me is going to be people who also agree that kangaroo is either green in color. The conspiracy behind why people don't want to accept that kangaroo is green in color does not matter if kangaroo का actual color क्या है. None of us have actually seen it. But now not only do we have an opinion of it, we are ready to invent facts that
Related to that.
there is no related to that. Like, and see the problem is we are the shameless generation that remembers news from before. Now there was two interesting words that were used in that. One was Tide Pods, another was Blue Whale Challenge. I mean Blue Whale
No,
उसमें
Blue
नहीं
Whale
बोला.
Challenge.
Blue Whale today I saw mentioned somewhere. It was हमारे लिए मजाक था. I knew when Tide Pods came, I am not going to consume a Tide Pod. मैं
Yeah.
बेवकूफ नहीं भाई, डिटर्जेंट है भाई, कुछ तुम्हें उसका केमिकल वो भी नहीं पता, तुम्हें पता तुम डिटर्जेंट नहीं खाने वाले. एंड
Correct.
ब्लू व्हेल चैलेंज, अच्छा ऐप ने मुझसे बोला जाके एंड में आई हैव टू जंप ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू इट, यू विल हैव टू पुश मी ऑफ, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू इट. लाइक आई फील वेरी
Correct.
कॉन्फिडेंट. बट देन आई रियलाइज्ड द वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दे से ऑन दैट थिंग कि वी आर द लास्ट जनरेशन दैट एक्चुअली नोज व्हाट इट
The
वाज बिफोर.
balance.
Yeah, abhi jo aane wale hain, like Arnav is going to face this question, I am facing this question, it's a conversation that I faced with my wife, Arnav will have to face it with his wife, and तुम्हारे बच्चे जब आने वाले हैं अगले 5 साल के अंदर.
Oh, I thought you were saying Arnav is going to jump off a building. I'm like, Arnav.
सब ठीक है अपना.
Arnav is going to. I was like, Arnav is going to face.
And you guys will also face this question in the near future कि तुम उस बच्चे को कैसे बोलोगे जब वो बच्चा बोलेगा मेरे सारे दोस्त बेवकूफों की तरह वो चीज खा रहे हैं. और यू कैन बी लाइक आई हैड दिस डिस्कशन विद केविन, क्या तुम मुझे डांटोगे, मारोगे, क्या करोगे? एंड वी
पकड़ के पीटो.
Yeah, but then you realize
I'm just kidding.
Then
Kevin has his own Blue Whale Challenge.
Kevin
बच्चे को पकड़ के मारना.
Kevin will drive his kid even more. Kevin का बच्चा Blue Whale से beyond जाएगा क्योंकि पापा आपने मारा ना मुझे. आजकल उनके बच्चे और
वो मेरे को धक्का देके गिराएगा.
Exactly. Kevin has a very good idea of his future, but essentially it's going to be much worse for those kids. क्योंकि उनको तुम्हें difference ही नहीं पता. A lot of these kids who are getting angry at social media posts and like getting super depressed, like younger बच्चों में depression बढ़ रहा है, it's because you feel inadequate. Like वो FOMO word जो लोग वो use कर रहे हैं कि तुम्हें बचपन में लग रहा है कि I'm not attractive enough, bro. You're not supposed to be attractive at that age, but it's hard to convince a child of that. How do you tell them that? How do you tell them that they're not supposed to be that?
This reminds me of like the 2016 elections के बाद जब Purdue and a lot of the biggest, like I mean Purdue was there. I know Chrysler was also another company that I was working for. They all did the same thing, that they were like, okay, we want to support our employees, and anyone who is so like depressed or affected by the election news can easily come and talk to us rather than keeping it there. But I was just thinking to myself that like just the fact that someone won an election has led into a depression enough that they had to make a special situation for that. Like, and
can you imagine
Kevin,
a company doing that? It's like ridiculous.
But because don't you see the worst part about all of this is that as we believe we are, you heard one of the most crucial aspects of that documentary, like in an undeveloped place like Myanmar mein, the kind I did not know that the Rohingya crisis started on social media.
That's what I did. I was going to pick that topic up. I didn't know that.
I did not know that was the spark. Like it's one thing to say, because I have seen abhi jo okay, India ke examples I could have given anyone. Abhi jo the lynching of the sadhus in Maharashtra jo hua tha, उसमें the rumors of child kidnapping and extortion started on social media networks only. Facebook और WhatsApp के through फैला था कि ऐसे ये child kidnappers आ रहे हैं, and it led to the unfortunate lynching of those religious men. And that has been happening very commonly. Like we can on a bunch of topics this has been going on. But why? Because slowly this violence is showing us that we have not evolved at all, and they are tugging at our most base instincts. Like हमें एक animal level पे fear आ रहा है कि my entire livelihood is on the line, while it is far, nothing could be further away from the truth. But हमें डराया जा रहा है कि सब कुछ is on the line. And that is the part of it that was the most shocking for me. Like the entire documentary, like people, हम इतने jaded times में रह रहे हैं कि people will be like, यार मुझे तो पता था यार, Facebook उस पे इतने बेवकूफ है, मैं जाता ही नहीं हूँ Facebook पे. Like a common response, मैं जाता ही नहीं हूँ. I'm not influenced by it in any way, because I was one of those people. Like भाई मैं थोड़ा मैं I don't indulge with all these losers on Facebook comments में नहीं जाता मैं कभी.
Why the hell did you point at us?
pointing at you. But I was looking. When I would see the notifications, I saw my own YouTube feed. I saw my notifications और from Amazon से लेकर जिस तरीके के लोगों का मुझे दिखा, and I realized that my echo chamber might not be out to kill people, but it diverts my thinking. It controls my thinking. They are keeping me in a certain place, like wrapped so perfectly, and it's because everything मैं जो किताबें पढ़ता हूँ से लेकर मैं जिनकी बातें सुनता हूँ वो सब मुझे ऑनलाइन ही मिलते हैं ना, सब ऑनलाइन मिलते हैं.
I still remember when I was following a political leader called Kanaya Kumar on YouTube. So I just commented, like, he actually replies, okay, whatever. So one of the things I just wrote was a very inspirational speech, definitely a new perspective to think about. That's all I wrote, and I think I should find that comment for you guys. There was next second there were like 2 people who commented on that, saying that you should go to China because that is the same perspective they will have. I was just thinking the fact that you can't accept the fact that someone might be partially correct, like even if that's opposition, it's just a partial correct. Like not everyone is 100% right, or not everyone's 100% wrong. Everything's got positive and negatives. The
Kevin,
fact that people have refused to accept the positives in your opposition or someone who's standing on the opposite side, that is a huge issue. I think that is a major contribution.
Kevin, I can tell you something very interesting on this topic also. This has happened between us. हम चार जो ये बात कर रहे हैं, this has happened between us. I have
Definitely.
4 years ago, I would have a discussion with Assume Arnav, and I would listen to his part of it. My first thing would be, यार तुझे तो ground reality यहाँ की पता ही नहीं है, तू किस perspective से बोल रहा है, ये क्या कह रहा है तू? Like my first thing would be that. Like I am living here, my people are very directly here in those places, they may be affected, वो तो तू क्या कह रहा है उस बारे में? But it has taken me a very concerted time to understand that our realities are different, and that is the scariest thing about it for me. Like uska perspective on it comes from his side of how he views it. We are not viewing the same thing anymore. We just aren't. When we are reacting to headlines and we are reacting to hearsay here and there. हमारे around कौन से लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, किनको क्या वो. Because can I tell you, हम जो supposedly urban या middle class या upper middle class, lower middle class जो भी उसमें आते हैं, जो supposedly educated है, जिन्होंने world का idea है, हमारे concerns are very different from assume तुम अभी भी like तुम्हारा कोई barber है या तुम during this time कोई migrant laborer तक भी मत जाओ. Someone who is like has an ordinary shop by the junction you live in, India में, बाहर का नहीं कह रहा मैं, India में, they really don't care about the stuff that we think are like burning topics. They really don't. Like हमें जो लगता है, like they don't care right wing government है left wing government है वो, they just want कि like हमारे जब essential things should be taken care of, we will not get in anybody else's way, and it's just as we supposedly progress, we are turning more into savage animals. The supposedly educated people are turning into more and more like polarized. I cannot even be in the same place as this person because they have that opinion, और ये उस चीज के supporter है, उसके वो है, मैं तो हो ही नहीं सकता. And that to me is very scary.
So you, after watching that documentary, you think obviously it's hard to blame any one platform या any one individual, but you think इसमें लोगों का ज़्यादा fault है या जो ये platforms है who give the opportunity उनका ज़्यादा fault है? I mean, I know easy answer is to say mix of both, which might be true, but what do you guys think personally?
Even the platform, the people who have said that they created, like the person who created the like button who helped create it, he even says that we had no idea it was going to be like this thing that could cause some mental health problems or people being insecure about, oh, I need more likes on my post and everything. We thought of it as a good positive outlet for people to say, oh, I like this, simple, done. So I can't blame them. Yeah, for sending advertisements, sending private information. Yeah, Kevin is right there that you can blame that out. But bad intentions from the beginning, I don't think so.
Okay.
Arnav, what is your opinion?
Yeah.
Even I was confused. I was talking to one of my friends यहाँ पे and we were discussing कि यार इसमें अपन कहते हैं कि अरे यार ये फेसबुक ट्विटर जो भी है ये अपने को कंटेंट देते हैं but end of the day we also consuming it, right? So have we lost control खुद पे इतना कि we are not capable enough to question or to see a different perspective कि ठीक है सामने वाला तुम्हें कुछ बोल रहा है, whether it's in online or whether it's like we both are having a discussion, right? So are we not capable enough even to give it a thought या at least सुनने की कोशिश करें, right? Forget about सही है या गलत है, just try to have some patience. And have we lost that ability itself because of all these platforms? Is that good enough reason to blame the platforms, or isme obviously they have contributed to it because of that instant wo sab, but can we not change? Don't we have control apne khud pe? That isliye mere paas का answer nahi hai, like it's whom should I blame?
Facebook का product क्या है फिर, in my perspective, like
we are the product now, that's what they said as well. We are
the product, but like they're providing a service, right? The app is there, the data is there, right? So when they're selling a product to you, or when they're saying something, okay, here's the product, there is a concern, there's a responsibility on their side. If I take a car in the side and if I put a new feature in it, I cannot say that this was going to be positive and tomorrow if it catches fire or if the brake doesn't work, I thought it was positive at that time. You cannot introduce a feature because you'll get sued as a company, and there are tons of organizations that keep you control to make sure you are safe in buying a car that I make, right? No, that's the same way for a social media app. Why
Kevin,
are they controlled?
Kevin, that your last statement was that there are checks and balances. I think part of the problem is that there is no regulation whatsoever, right?
Exactly. That's the thing. IT companies have no regulations.
No, it's okay. इसमें my question is IT company regulation डालेगी because end of the day all in democratic country freedom of speech होता है, right? So whether you say it on any platform or whether you say it in person or over the phone or whichever channel it is, right? How do you curb that, right? Freedom of speech का जो one of the
and Arnav, to answer your question directly, I'm on the other extreme. I think it's completely people's fault.
That's I think I agree with that. It's more people's.
You cannot after a while say that I have lived with the same person for 20-30 years and then I read and saw a video and decided to go and kill them because they may be from a different tribe, community, religion, whatever. My opinion personally, like I'm sure we are being manipulated or wo sab ho raha hai, but as you reach a certain age, and I guess मैं जब भी age बोलता हूँ I keep making it seem like we're older, but after तुमने दुनिया को थोड़ा बहुत at least देख लिया है, then you need to understand कि जब कौन तुम्हारी ले रहा है, like तुम्हें समझ आना चाहिए कि यार कि ये मेरे मजे मार रहे हैं यार, मैं इस इंसान को जानता हूँ, I know this person, I live next to them, मेरे बच्चे एक साथ खेले इनके साथ, मैं खेल चुका हूँ इनके साथ younger age में, person has not changed, circumstances might change, opinions might change, they may look at life differently, short of them doing anything criminal which you have to, that supposedly authorities are. Now we use the word democracy. Why am I suddenly feeling so threatened that I have to indulge in violence? If they had to do something to me, वो 20-25 साल से यहीं पे थे, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया मुझे. So I am of the opinion that 100% the people are to fail. It's the same thing as जब हम, I hate this victim ideology कि हर बात पे यार पता है ये हमें बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं, पार्टी हमें बेवकूफ बना रही है, वो लीडर हमें बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं. नहीं, तुम बेवकूफ बन रहे हो.
Yes, definitely.
तुम मूर्खता की उस हद तक पहुंच चुके हो कि तुम्हें दिख रहा है कि कार्टून शो चल रहा है, पर तब भी तुम्हें उस कार्टून शो का पार्ट होना है, तुम्हें लड़ना है. And your only ideology is that everyone else also believes it. इतने लोग मानते हैं तो तुम क्यों वो कर रहे हो? Then
at the end of the day, we made the choice. We made the choice to do it.
It is not wrong to believe in anything you want to believe in. Okay, we are a very diverse place. We are a very diverse. Humans cannot control. There's a lot of information out there. Blah 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 blah. But if you choose to indulge in violence or support violence or act in any way that is detrimental to any other human's life, it is not the social media's fault. It is your fault.
Correct.
Anybody can be instigated to do anything. But
when I said IT companies को hold करना, I meant they cannot wash off their hands from the whole thing, because I think they should be held a lot more. They should be held accountable for it, like what information shown on it. Like for now, you're only blaming people, but But चीज़ है कि like if there are no traffic laws and then someone smashes into another car on a on a 4-point whatever, what do you call it, intersection, are you going to blame the traffic law or you're going to blame the people who are driving? There was no signal on it.
There was no regulations, so obviously in a free highway wo hai. But again, Kevin, with each topic there comes context. As Arnav said, it is essentially what we are arguing with is people's idea of freedom of expression. People's idea of freedom of expression. कि isn't hate speech also technically freedom of expression? I think Zuckerberg या किसी ने एक बार बोला था कि लोगों का हक है वो बोलने का, हम सपोर्ट नहीं करते पर वो बोल रहे तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं. But the problem of it again, Arnav, Kevin, it will come down to this, right? तेरी बात सही है, उसमें you overspeed and kill someone, you will, तुम बोलोगे कि traffic rule तो है, but still it's the guy overspeeding who let it happen, right?
Correct.
And it's the same way, like let people say the vilest of things, but अगर तुम उससे अफेक्ट होके कुछ जाके कर रहे हो and your only logic is I was just so charged up with emotion when I saw that insert whichever community I am part of is under attack. I went and did this to my neighbors, people who are around me. Then I will not blame Facebook or Google. I will blame you. I will think तू है भाई, तू है ढक्कन इस पूरी चीज में, तूने जाके किया है. And if it's a mob, I blame the entire mob. If it's a country, then I blame the entire country.
Correct.
Because we cannot allow the fact that, because then we have had knives for thousands of years. We learned how not to stab each other repeatedly, right? Like there is some balance. After a while, we cannot say कि ये government या ये company, वो corporations are made of people like us only. Is my thing. I'm sure
वो बात तेरी एग्जैक्टली सही है. इवन केविन का जो पॉइंट है, जो तूने सही एग्जांपल दिया अभी, राइट, नाइव्स का, लाइक वेपन्स हैव ऑल, वो हमेशा रहते हैं वेपन्स का, राइट. वेपन्स का मार्केट है, पीपल आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इट, सेलिंग इट, एंड देयर इज गवर्नमेंट हु कैन पुट रेगुलेशंस कि देयर इज अ सर्टेन एज लिमिट टू बाय अ गन और यू नीड टू हैव सम लाइसेंस और व्हाटएवर इट इज, राइट. सो as Kevin said, we need some kind of regulations for these platforms as well. Maybe it's age, who knows, I'm making it up कि भाई before 18 you cannot join. So there has to be a part on both sides, as Kevin said. But yeah, I do. End of the day, we are the ones who are using those platforms or weapons or anything, right? So it's hard, but
it should be hardened. And it should be hardened. As in, okay. If today I read in news that a lawyer in Kashmir was getting repeated death threats on Twitter, so he reported a case, but police did not respond, and today he was shot by a couple of terrorists. So now they are investigating. But that is where I feel that, like, okay, if I'm the person who has an account on social media, I should be, first of all, my age verification has to be, and second, to have an identity card over there. Okay, now you're going to say there is a social threat of that information getting leaked, but like at least my driver license, so that if I am doing something that is completely wrong against the rules,
in some ways,
or if I'm accusing someone or like.
That's giving them more information in some ways, and social media ka anonymity has helped a lot of people come forward with certain issues, and it will become easier for certain governments to target, in authoritarian regimes as well, especially to target any dissenters. If they know your exact social security number. I'm just saying there's a counter to that argument as well. I agree that it's but worst part is, Kevin, the people threatening you are no longer threatening you in an anonymous way. Majority of the time they're threatening you quite directly. But yeah, I think the conclusion we can draw from this is, like, as Arnav said, Arnav, repeat your point. We need a certain level of regulation, but self-responsibility, is that it?
And controlling the conspiracies and fake news. I feel they say AI will come, they're going to make the AI smarter to help stop this fake news spreading.
Anything humans make is not going to be smart enough. I feel.
Yeah, but one more thing to add, like जैसे TV आया तो पहले बहुत सारे we have bunch of channels, right? उसमें रात को channels जो आते हैं, kids are not supposed to watch those channels या content या कुछ भी हो.
कौन से channels? मैंने तो ऐसे कभी नहीं देखे TV पे.
Yeah, right. But my point is कि social media भी काफी.
Kevin कहता मैंने भी कभी नहीं किया. Kevin कहता मैंने कभी किया.
केविन करने की
Kevin,
बातें नहीं कर रहे हैं, अपन अभी सिर्फ बहुत ही बेसिक कंटेंट पे है. बट एनीवे से
Okay,
इवन सोशल मीडिया
90s
इज
में
वेरी न्यू.
सिर्फ फैशन टीवी था. Okay.
90s में
अबे जब तू 5-6 साल का था तू एफटीवी देखता था क्या बेवकूफ? क्या बॉन्ड बन रहा है यहाँ पे? 90s में एक्चुअली जब
मैंने
90s
पहली
में
बार
90s
फैशन टीवी देखा 4th स्टैंडर्ड में. Okay, just being 5th स्टैंडर्ड में भी.
नहीं चेंज कर 6th 7th 8th भी आ जाएगा अभी.
नहीं 4th या 5th में हुआ था. I mean,
Oh, अच्छा.
like I was curious enough.
About what?
before we
mean, what
delve
the
deeper
opposite
into
sex
this
is
topic
like,
of
man.
what Kevin is
Like,
interested in,
Yeah, let me finish my point. My point
It's like
was कि जैसे
normal.
पहले channels आते हैं, they are serving everything possible. We learned कि अपने कौन सा content consume करना है. Hopefully with even social media, because it's a very new thing है. 10 साल ही हुए हैं अभी social media को. So maybe in 10-12 years, people might learn how to operate on social media, there might be more regulations. So it's not all negative. उसमें definitely काफी negative चीज दिखाई है. Social media
yeah.
also has a huge positives on the other side. So
They
there
say,
should be a documentary which should be showing all the positives also. I
yeah, they
always
say
wondered
it's a double-edged, as Amritu said, double-edged sword.
yeah, it is.
It's a double-edged sword.
No, it's that thing like the knife analogy applies to this also. Knives are used every day to feed us. We feed ourselves every day, like ingredients are cut
Yeah.
and made using knives. It
You
is a very
monsters.
positive thing. But the problem is just because we learned how to, and that's the hope eventually. Like we learn how to. Like we need to go through these uncomfortable discussions to understand that it will take time for us to realize yeah, what is true and what is wrong. Or
Anyway,
when should we overreact or not? But yeah, Akash, do us
yeah,
nice
correct.
segue. Do a next
nice
अच्छा
segue.
transition go. Nice
from
transition कर.
from what Kevin's likes are from Amritu's
No,
cover.
जो second topic है वो केविन के FTV का से ही शुरू कर. Influence of media है ना.
क्या? Seriously?
Kevin, next topic was yours. You wanted to talk about the influence of movies. We kind of covered this in a previous podcast episode, but this is more, I
Yeah.
think we're gonna talk more about the negative, I feel. Right, Kevin?
Kevin explain
Yeah.
कर. Topic explain कर.
What was your topic?
Because
Okay,
Arnav
so
doesn't know
actually
the
one of
topic.
the first things, I think Arnav and I had discussed this when last year in California. We had actually discussed it a lot, and like we might have pissed off quite a lot of people in that conversation. So we had watched a movie called Kabir Singh, and Kabir Singh was one of the biggest hits of 2019, and to a lot of people, like it was completely wrong. Everything that movie showed was absolutely nonsense, and that's what one of the things that I hated about that movie, and the fact that people have watched that and enjoyed watching it multiple times. Apparently, it is biggest concern to me is, do people actually believe this? Like the fact that in Kabir Singh, essentially you see like a guy treating this girl absolutely like a blow up doll, like pulling her here and there, slapping her here and there. I mean, it was like, I mean, he just pulls her to a room and tells like, okay, from now on you're staying here. And that girl can't even open her mouth. It's ridiculous. Like
Okay.
I thought that's what it was deeply concerning. If there's a social side of it that people have to think about before making movies.
You are in the terrible minority on that topic, right? You can't possibly be serious when you say, do people actually believe that? 100% people actually believe that. We have historically treated women in that exact way. We want them to just comply with our wishes. That's a very common thing. Like,
And it's not just women, general.
no,
like,
but let us talk about the thing that's actually there. Like, it many people बोलते हैं कि abusive relationship का conditioning है या उसमें वो हुआ था, but specifically, is your question about Kabir Singh या media का influence in general? Because I think I would like to know that before.
yeah,
I go
as
further.
in does movies,
Kabir Singh topic is a couple of years too late, I feel.
I mean, not Kabir Singh ka topic, as in that was just a very easy example. As in is this, do movies actually affect sector and the way they treat people, or like it just highlights that? That's what
I think तेरा voice थोड़ा cut out हो गया. So you mean how do movies really affect people and how they behave? Is that your question?
yeah, essentially,
Ah.
basically that.
I think it's like movies reflect what's happening around us is how I would say. कि आई थिंक पिक्चरों में वही दिखाया जा रहा है जो दे बिलीव द प्रेवलेंट मूड इज majority of the time, not all movies but a majority of the movies, and we don't have to just focus on Indian movies. बाहर के movies में भी जब 90s में 70s 80s 90s में वो इटालियन गैंगस्टर्स का पूरा फेस चल रहा था, पोस्ट गॉडफादर एरा में उसी टाइप की मूवीज आने लग गई, काफी आई थी गॉडफादर मूवीज, गुड फेलर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड क्योंकि पीपल को वो था, द माफिया एंड एवरीथिंग वाज क्वाइट एक्टिव ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स। एंड इंडिया के जो मूवीज हैं जैसे लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स में मोस्टली नेशनलिस्टिक फर्वर वाली मूवीज हैं, उनकी पब्लिक मूड थोड़ा नेशनलिस्टिक है अभी, तो यू विल हैव अ लॉट मोर मूवीज व्हिच फोकस ऑन इश्यूज लाइक दैट। इंडिया के पास्ट के बारे में काफी मूवीज आई हैं व्हिच शो फेमस बैटल विक्ट्रीज, टू शो कि हमारा मिलिट्री स्ट्रेंथ जो हुआ करता था, द ब्रेव एक्ट्स ऑफ आवर पीपल इन द फेस ऑफ। तो आई डोंट थिंक इट अफेक्ट्स people ka behavior. I mean, media, all media has some effect on wo. I think it's more like they just add to it. They add to a public fervor. I think social media affects people more. The movies and everything just add to what is already existing. Like उनको उनके end of the day उनको बेचना है, उनको थोड़ा ना कुछ सिखाना है तुम्हें कुछ, उनको तो पिक्चर बेचनी है। Like they know.
I was gonna say it's sad. It's an outlet for creativity. A movie just to show someone's what's some creative outlet for a director, a writer, and everything. But I do feel it does a bit like in the past you've seen romantic movies like a Shah Rukh Khan movie, like Yes Boss or something. Or something like that. He's running after the girl, trying to make her say go out with me or something, and then
but
like
Akash,
annoying.
see but that my point is exactly that I don't think
they're
are
based
not
on
doing
real
it.
life. They're not.
Yeah, I think
basically
they are.
that. But I feel it's the opposite.
Okay.
That's my thing. I feel it's still the opposite. That has been like, oh, that's how you get a girl for some guys. Okay. I'm gonna keep on wearing her down until she says yes eventually. Because in the movies, in the old movies at least, in newer movies, it's gone down to an extent. But if you watch all the old Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan movies, they keep chasing the girl or something like that until she says, okay, fine. And then the love story starts, which is very...
Wear them down.
What, Kevin?
Kevin heard something.
I said wear them down.
Yeah, wear them down until not that way, but
Kevin laughs in the creepiest. Kevin laughs in the worst, most sleaziest ways in all these topics. Na, just like makes me uncomfortable.
But
और
as
हम
for the
पिक्चर की बात कर रहे हैं, सबसे बेशर्म इंसान सामने बैठे हैं।
But as for the Kabir Singh thing, I mean, Amrit, you guys have seen Cinderella Man?
I've heard Eminem's song.
No, it's that boxing movie with Russell Crowe.
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
Kind of, they show the same thing in Cinderella Man, which it's a very good movie. Watch it if you haven't. It's Kabir Singh, but it's just the personality, I guess, of the guy the director's trying to show. It doesn't mean anything, I feel, but it's just like a...
मैं तुझे एक बात बताऊं, the reason
experience maybe, which is
very specifically
sad,
using the Kabir Singh thing only, you said
yeah, I'm just using Kabir Singh right now.
If just this Kabir Singh thing, but the reason for Kabir Singh very specifically, and it will lead to much huger discussions which you shouldn't get into, is like the reason it got that much support is because it helped a lot of men who are feeling insecure by the rise of some sort of what they consider toxic femininity, like toxic feminism, कि like औरतें जो overly empowered feel कर रही हैं, तो this was a movie which like in many ways put them in their place, covered as a love story. So I think that is the thing here, that is what, because if you hear that director guy who made this original boy, he was like कि अगर तुमने रिश्ते में लड़की को थप्पड़ नहीं मारा हुआ तो then तुम असली प्यार में नहीं हो. And that's the thing, like you just start going deeper into the way they think about a relationship. And they are very convinced कि their idea of it is under attack. So it's the same thing, right? उनके world में women are acting a certain way. Now me on the other hand, मेरे world में I may probably see something else. And you guys may see some other way. You might be like, नहीं मैं तो औरतों की दूसरी stories पढ़ रहा हूँ. पर उनके world में it doesn't make sense at all. Like कि औरतें कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो रही हैं, पता है? Actually उनको क्या ये rights के लिए कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल रही हैं. Like so many people, जब ये when the discussions about Me Too began, were like, पता है कितने लोग false वो कर रहे हैं, without ever thinking कि the ratio is so skewed ridiculously. But it was like everyone is just looking at it from their side of it, which is why Kalia, I think that supports my theory of it. Th- they are trying to reflect what the mood is, because Kabir Singh came out in the aftermath of the blowback
Yes.
against कि औरतें ये कुछ ज्यादा ही नहीं हो रहा है इनका, like their idea of it, like that is a very, as again social media पे लोग लड़ते रहते हैं, and it was he picked on that topic perfectly, and like कि ये सच्चा प्यार यही होता है.
And the sad part is, what I found out was the people who were fans of the actor was protecting the movie like anything. Like, it was absolutely ridiculous. The fact, just because you're supporting one part of the movie, maybe the actor, doesn't mean you have to like protect that whole movie.
No separate topic.
You should say that, or hopefully you won't believe it.
Everyone protects their tribe, bro. Everyone protects their own. Like दुनिया जैसे बढ़ रही है, we all want to feel like we are part of something. Like वो loneliness का, because like I said, like
Akash, मैं तेरे को support.
What? He just stopped.
Say it, Kevin. Say it,
Akash,
Kevin.
मैं तेरे को support करता हूँ. Even after your partial style, I always support you.
Thank you. Thank you.
But you think these kind of movies should be allowed?
Yeah,
Yes.
I think it's someone's just
By
telling a
stifling
story.
it. Yeah, stifling it is. I may agree or disagree with any topic of वो, like उसको stifle करना is stupid. That is unfair.
So do you guys
Because-
think, like, I was going to say, Kabir Singh, was it like an agenda like Amrit said? Amrit, you think it was like kind of an agenda to show?
No, I never think it's an
That's
agenda. I think it's very simply that I know people will lap this up. It's marketing.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I don't think it's an agenda
Akash,
either.
all of this is marketing. It's
Yeah.
we argued about it. Nobody's behavior
hot
changed
topic.
after 3 weeks, and it went on. That's it. They know what they're doing.
Why do we ban things like, not ban, like we have put restrictions on things like alcohol, drugs, or anxiety?
Because
that's a business, right? That's also
we selectively recognize. We cannot put a ban on tobacco, but we banned vaping. So like
no, we cannot put a ban on tobacco, but
हमने सिगरेट को नहीं रोका, but हम vaping को रोक रहे हैं.
But
so
if someone,
it's hypocrisy like that.
No, but if someone comes out on television या कुछ भी जो उनके ads दिखाते हैं, those guys or girls या कुछ भी, they are looked down upon कि अरे they are endorsing alcohol या cigarettes or things like that, correct?
Sure.
So it shouldn't be because what we are saying कि everything is in context. So if movies are made, obviously it's a domestic movie, right? Kabir Singh was made for India. It was not made for global audience, right? So if that movie अगर India की movie है, and India का अगर one of the major problems, as Amrit said, कि women को काफी दबाया गया है in past 50-100 years जो भी है, काफी violence हुआ है, right? So if that's the history of India and recent history of India, then shouldn't we try to change it and try to bring a better, because movies, as we all agree, movies have some sort of influence, maybe not like completely. Movies, social media, celebrities, they all have some responsibility because they have a huge fan following, right? As you said, everyone supports their tribe. So if an actor is doing something which is not justified, then uski tribe is still going to support him, right? As you said right now. But that's the whole point, right? If you take it in the context of India right now, India में जहाँ rape cases, domestic violence, sexual abuse, ये सब इतना ज़्यादा है. It's not only in India, by the way, it's in all countries also, but we are talking in context of India because वो movie India की है. So there should be some sort of restriction कि आप कितना create, under the garb of creativity, how much you can show. There should be some sort of regulation, right?
We have all sorts of film regulatory boards and all of that, but essentially, Arnav, then we are walking a very dangerous line. I would much rather have something objectionable out there that starts a conversation, because I think the need of the hour is us realizing that we need conversation, repeated conversation. Because अगर हम इस पे बैन करें, assume करें कि हम बोल रहे हैं कि under the guise of creativity आप ये बहुत objectionable चीजें कर रहे हो, look at all these stats. Clearly, it does not mean anything to a lot of people.
So as a regulatory body, but they don't care about कि लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं.
Even them. Right? No, but they do. No. Arnab, that's the thing. The regulatory body
They
does
all
think
do.
that. The problem with जब हम बोलते हैं कि Facebook और उसको regulate करने का problem difference क्या है? Who is the judge? Who is playing judge in this? The guy who's playing judge in this cannot can easily say कि I don't find it objectionable. Then क्या करेंगे हम?
No, that's why वही क्या जैसे अभी तूने बोला कि अभी इंडिया की जो एक नेशनलिस्ट काइंड ऑफ सेंटिमेंट है which is true, तो उस चक्कर में बहुत सारी मूवीज आई उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट की, राइट? एंड वी ऑल नो दैट, राइट? सो हाउ कैन वी से कि अरे जहाँ पे वी कैन नॉट डिनाई द फैक्ट्स, राइट? जो फैक्ट्स है वो तो है अभी इंडिया के. इसमें इट्स नॉट अबाउट हैविंग अ कॉन्वर्सेशन राइट नाउ, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक इंडिया इज इन स्टेज ऑफ हैविंग अ कॉन्वर्सेशन कि अरे ये सही डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस सही है या गलत है, तो क्यों गलत है, राइट? आई डोंट थिंक दोस आर द दैट वो टॉपिक्स नहीं जिस पे यू कैन हैव अ डिस्कशन. इट्स ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. if you
And
have doing
Arnav,
something,
then you are living in a very warped reality. You know, if you type in domestic violence in India right now and look at stats, the argument you will face by people will be very much that कि आपको पता है section 498 कितनी गलत तरीके से use किया है against men, how many
sure,
men are
no one is,
convicted.
again, I don't think people understand कि collateral damage कभी भी नहीं होने वाला. It's not a completely 100% वो है,
No,
right?
but
I mean,
Arnav, that is my thing. Like जो तू पूछ रहा है is a very ideal thing and I would agree with you. But the problem is there is no black and white at all. Facts, bhai, that's the thing. We started this off with saying reality बदल चुकी है. Akash can say मैंने NCRB की website में गया, मैंने stats देखे against women. I am dumbfounded that this is what's happening. We cannot allow for this to happen. And then somebody else who may not think like us will come and say कि तुम लोग इतने वो हो, तुम बाहर जाओ, वो जाओ, कहीं और जाओ. Actually लड़कियां हैं जो मर्दों के साथ कर रही है और मर्द डर के मारे रिपोर्ट भी नहीं करते, इसलिए रिपोर्ट्स ज्यादा है. And that is that person's reality.
see, I
That is
don't
that
think
person's
it's
reality.
very
And our
easy for us
regulate
to say कि realities are different, right? Realities we have to trust on some source. In a, it's like saying कि आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट को बिलीव नहीं करते.
exactly, and नहीं करते लोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट को बिलीव ना
So
जब the
now,
ruling goes against them. So that's my
correct, right?
point.
So I don't think that's the learning thing, right? You have to trust some source, and I think इन लोगों को सीखना पड़ेगा कि भाई you might not agree with them, their judgment, but end of the day you have to trust it as a judicial system. You have to trust them. You have no option in a democratic country.
No,
you
but
should.
I think it's
We're veering away from the main topic.
No,
yeah,
whole
no.
point is
But
कि,
I still think filmmakers and actors can personally make a better contribution, like have a perspective that either we're going to entertain people or we're going to have a better perspective into making movies. That's what I think. I think
Again, like
banning anything is only going to add to the problem.
okay,
it's going to make
I
it
don't
work.
mean कि ban the movie. I'm just saying कि they should have shown at least उस female character को, they should have made it slightly stronger. अभी India needs
Correct.
more.
Definitely.
They literally showed
Yeah.
कि भाई ये तो इसको कहीं भी ले जाओ. That kind of role it was.
Yeah,
I'm
no,
not
no.
saying ban the movie.
The only part of it where like the part of it which is most objectionable is the fact कि she is while some people are like, you know, what if a woman is okay with it, and the only part of it in the mainstream part cinema, you would assume they would show some sort of empowered response to such abuse, or there being some sort of overwhelming repercussions for being that way, but none of those things were part of it. But again, it's their story, their chance, and a lot of people wanted to watch it, so they'll see.
It's like what Amrit said, is taking in the marketing. It's a marketing
essential
thing,
because
taking
I
advantage of the
भाई
current
it's this
climate or
in
whatever
हर
the climate
टॉपिक
at that
में
time.
मैं तो एंड ऑफ द डे कहता हूँ, तुम्हें पता है कोई चीज या कोई आर्टिस्ट किसी चीज को ग्लोरीफाई करते हैं, यू बिलीव इट्स रॉन्ग, अवॉइड इट. Like if you believe it's wrong, because मैं पर्सनली बिलीव करता हूँ कि अब मुझे उस डायरेक्टर या किसी का नाम कहीं दिखे और मुझे पता है कि तुम ऐसी चीज, तुम्हारे ओपिनियंस ऐसे हैं, because I think I saw a clip of him speaking in a round table and that was just like, भाई क्या कर रहे हो आप, क्या बोल रहे हो?
Yeah.
And it was essentially like, okay,
Yeah.
now I know you are thinking of things that way and you cannot and because Arnav, end of the day this is all like mood based, public sentiment based, marketing based. 4 साल पहले 2-3 साल पहले तुम जिस देश में a black athlete knelt down during the national anthem, क्या हुआ? उसको ब्लैक बॉल किया, हटा दिया. But 2 साल बाद sentiment is different. So now everyone's kneeling down and nobody has a problem. So it's like that. Like when I say a conversation has to be started, something outlandish has to happen for people to be like, अच्छा क्या हो रहा है? So by the time we all mature enough to understand how severe the crisis is, people will start taking action about it, is what I feel. But हम इस पे बहुत लंबे खींचते हैं, आकाश.
Yeah, I was going to go. The next topic is my own topic. It's a very informative topic after these two very deep topics. You guys we'll talk plenty about this. I think this conversation will go for 1 hour more.
नहीं भाई जो मैं भी नहीं भाग my run has ended by this point. My future self my run has ended. I want our talk to end. नहीं क्या बकते रहते हैं.
Top 5 movies or TV shows. We discussed it for 2019 or 2020, but apparently that's
No,
moved to all time as well.
मैंने बोला था कि कोरोना के टाइम जो तुमने 5 सबसे अच्छी चीजें देखी है. Kevin went into मेरी लाइफ के 5 best. But
so
yeah,
guys,
I changed it.
Guys, even if you don't have top 5, at least what you've watched that you've liked. I'm not putting a restriction of top 5 because I feel like some of us haven't researched much on it or remember what we've watched. Some of us. So top. So we'll start with Kevin since you were ready, Kevin. Let's go. Share.
I was gonna say, Don't Fuck with Cats.
Mm-hmm.
Then Patal Lok, and then Family Man, and Peaky Blinders is not exactly this year, but it's something I watched for the first time.
Something you discovered during Corona, if possible. That was the thing.
So Don't Fuck with Cats.
Peaky Blinders is amazing if you're into the gangster crime genre. And Friends. I rewatched Friends, so I put that over there.
Yeah, it was amazing. Peaky Blinders is really good.
I've heard in London it's very popular, but I've never watched it myself.
Bhai, बहुत interesting है. Like
I think it gets repetitive. But the first 3 seasons or the first 2 seasons are amazing.
I stopped after the first 2 seasons, but yeah, the vibe stays the same and it's pretty much a circle jerk of the same thing, but it's a very interesting show शुरुआत में. Good list, Kevin.
Kevin, but what would you like stand out of all of them? What would you say that stood out the most for you?
To me, since it's new, I really like Don't Fuck with Cats a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And I would say Peaky Blinders, secondly.
Don't Fuck with Cats, we've all 4 of us watched. It's a really good documentary. It's messed up, but it's very good. It keeps you engaged. And that's the problem I had with Social Dilemma documentary. I felt it wasn't made very well for me, technically. Because when you put skits in, it gets very like
somehow it kept me, Kevin, and my wife engrossed for like 90 minutes straight when you were watching it. Like
for me, it was like, because it's like you said before, but that's a different. Like we know that this is
happening.
But, yeah, this is happening. But anyway, yeah. So Kevin recommends.
Akash, apna list bol.
Mine is not a list. Mine, like I've watched Knives Out. Knives Out I really liked. I enjoyed Knives Out. It's a bit long. The movie Daniel Craig, Chris Evans. It's a detective thriller type movie. It's a bit of a comedy as well in between, but it's a good movie. And surprisingly, I watched the Avatar: The Last Airbender, something completely different. And I was surprised. I was surprised about how good it was. I thought it was going to be rubbish.
No, it's a good series, yeah.
It's actually good. It's actually really well made. I was really surprised.
These two won't like it. But
these two won't watch it even, but it's actually really well made, which I thought was going to be a kid's thing. It was actually made really pretty well. Other than that, Don't Fuck with Cats also I watched based on your guys' recommendation. And right now, those are the only things I watched.
I started watching Too Hot to Handle.
Too Hot to Handle as well.
Yeah, I was wondering if you forgot your own joke.
Yeah, Kevin mentioned he was going to say that. But I started watching The Boys, but I'm not very far into that, The Boys. And I'm liking it still. But I'm a sucker for all that superhero shit. So
you would really like Unknown Origins.
I have to watch that
anyone who likes superhero stuff, it's a very good, it's a decent movie about superheroes.
Talking about that, Disney Plus will be releasing soon their superhero content. Yeah, that WandaVision.
हमारे हॉटस्टार के साथ मिलता है Disney Plus.
Yeah.
And और पैसे काटेंगे वो, but
yeah, don't you have to pay extra for like the English the original media? Don't you have to pay extra on Hotstar?
नहीं, अभी तक again I don't know उन्होंने extra काटे हैं नहीं अभी तक, but अभी तक I had nothing has come.
Okay. Anyway, Amrit, go.
No, Arnav, बोल.
Okay. One thing I
I
wanted to
think
watch was Ford versus Ferrari, but I never watched it. I want to
अच्छा
see.
अब तू रोना बंद कर, अपनी लाइफ स्टोरी मत बोल अभी. हाँ, अर्नब बता.
You just want Arnab to say.
Yeah. Because I can see him like getting distracted and looking away, na? That's why. Bol.
I
Just
think
bol.
one thing जो वो Don't Fuck with Cats, thanks to Kevin, उसने
अबे
recommend की थी वो.
अबे बेशरम,
नहीं
just
नहीं
because they are saying it.
listen, नहीं मेरा reason है उसके पीछे, and I think that also relates to our first topic which we talked about, right? The role social media played in that documentary was
Oh.
quite interesting. If you
Very
remember the first
interesting.
few episodes, which was very fascinating.
That Luca was so creepy, yaar.
Yeah, and even like how they investigate वो सारी चीजें, सारी photos को उन्होंने frame by frame. But anyway, so it's a good watch, I would say.
It's a great watch.
Yeah, at the same time, it's slightly disturbing. उसके अलावा, I think Special Ops. I think if I remember, I watched during lockdown. I liked Special Ops on. I think it's on Hotstar. So that was also quite good. I think इसके अलावा nothing stood out for me as I.
How is Asur? Was it worth it?
Wait, you like Special Ops more than Family Man? I thought you liked Family Man better.
Oh wait, I forgot about Family Man.
I was
Hey,
wondering
guys,
that because we had a
so-
similar discussion earlier, like
अबे,
this year.
if we go into how less prepared he is, ये podcast एक और घंटा चलेगा.
I have
Anyways.
to.
Okay,
I
let's
have
add
to-
Family Man also. It's equally.
I have-
Skip-
I have to get back
skip-
into Indian TV series, man. I've like because
यार, I think
it left a
Patal
bad
Lok
taste
was
in
the
my
last-
mouth
Patal
intentionally.
Lok,
Like,
Sacred Games का second season. These are all
Kevin.
interesting.
Amrit, you might
आकाश तो
like.
बोलेगा कहानी घर घर की और
yeah. Because when I was growing up, all this shit was coming on TV. I'm like, oh, this looks
नहीं,
complete
नहीं.
rubbish.
You should start with Patal Lok.
I have to give it a chance.
No,
Amrit,
no,
if you
it's-
haven't watched Asur, it's good. Maybe शायद you might.
How
find
I
it
finished
interesting.
Asur. I
Yeah.
finished Asur.
Do
I
you
didn't like how
recommend
it ended. I didn't like
Yeah.
its ending, but
Yep.
Asur is fine. Asur is Arshad Varsi usually. Arshad Varsi
Hmm.
था ना उसमें, is the word.
Yep.
Yeah.
हाँ. I didn't like ending सब में जो हुआ. Otherwise it was decent. After Patal Lok, probably Asur was the second best one, I think. Family Man also, क्योंकि मनोज बाजपेयी is so good. But Patal Lok was the best one. For me, unfortunately now I feel so stupid for actually thinking of things that I watched during Corona because तुम सब इतने नालायक हो. कोरोना के
I
टाइम
changed
में
mine, honestly.
keep quiet. कोरोना के original question was कोरोना के टाइम हमने ऐसी 5 क्या चीजें देखी, old or new.
अमृत, मेरा आंसर वही था, by the way, just to clarify. ये सब मैंने
Oh,
कोरोना
shut
के
up.
टाइम देखा है. So
the first
See,
thing
so
I
did
saw
I.
is क्या कहते हैं जो मेमोरीज ऑफ मर्डर, वो पैरासाइट जो मूवी जिसने ऑस्कर में बहुत जीती थी, आई सॉ इट. उसमें उसके डायरेक्टर की फर्स्ट मूवी है इज मेमोरीज ऑफ मर्डर. यूट्यूब में फॉर फ्री मिल जाएगी. It is amazing, among the best crime movies I've ever seen. So Memories of Murder is right up there. Then because क्योंकि इतना time extra मिला था lockdown के time, I launched upon a random American show called Longmire, like detective show है. And recently only I came across it. Like last few days I have been like sneakily watching it, and I have not binged the show the way I binged it. Like I have missed out on exercise sessions because I was like, नहीं मुझे देखना है क्या हो रहा है. It's not that deep or anything, but I love the vibe of like Wyoming में बंदा है, he's a sheriff who's dealing with issues there in his estate. I love the vibe of the show, and I really like the main character.
No, I didn't get it. You loved the vibe that someone was dealing with issues in Wyoming.
Yeah, and I know it sounds so dry and it sounds so
Yeah.
drab. But
I
yeah,
was like, what?
because the Parasite director's first movie, Memories of Murder, every scene में कुछ हो रहा है, and it's unbelievably like happening. इसमें इतने slow pace में सब कुछ चलता है, but वो ये like कोरोना के time में slower pace things have their own vibe. Next thing was a Japanese anime which released its first season during Corona called The Great Pretender. It's on Netflix. It's got a con men and their experience around. So I thoroughly enjoyed watching that because it was something new and I didn't expect it to be that good, honestly, because आजकल anime कोई भी कुछ भी अनशन निकल जाता है, but Great Pretender was quite interesting. Next is an Indian movie which I enjoyed a lot more than expected. Was
The Bobby
Bulbul.
Deol one. Oh, okay. I
No.
thought it was the Bobby Deol one.
I really liked Bulbul. I really loved the acting of the people involved. I went with expectations that were like thoroughly like okay, yaar, yes, they'll ruin this entire vibe. But Bulbul was a very good non-horror movie on some certain very relevant topics.
You don't
Again,
need to talk. We did a podcast all about
yeah,
Bulbul. We don't need to go into much.
it's again
yeah.
available on Netflix. It's again available on Netflix and in one of our old shows as well.
Yeah, so listen to our old show for our opinions on.
Yeah, and
Bulbul.
final I think would be I think a mix of Panchva or something that I really enjoyed. Like I would put it's a tie between all of these, like Patal Lok, Asur, and Social Dilemma because of the topics दोनों आ रहे हैं. But the first four, Memories of Murder, Longmire, Great Pretender, and Bulbul would be my picks.
I know you can't compare Social Dilemma and Don't Fuck with Cats, but Don't Fuck with Cats was done really well. I felt shocked.
By
Like,
Social Dilemma is like Don't Fuck with Cats का summary. Essentially एक तरीके
Basically,
से
yeah.
कि ये हो सकता है, हम ये बन सकते हैं. But हाँ, ऐसे हम सबने अपनी
Oh, wait, just in case. Wait, there's a documentary called Free Solo if you haven't seen it. It's epic.
Oh yeah, the
oh
mountain.
yeah, I
climber.
saw Free Solo. It was really cool.
Yeah.
It was good.
That
It was good. It was
That
good.
guy's a that guy's a maniac. Alex something. What's his name?
Isn't he like a dentist or something?
No, he lives in a he lives in a trailer.
He's rich though.
He broke up with that girl. Yeah, because he इतने सारे products तूने देखा उस documentary में उसको आके वो आ रहे थे.
He was some medical. I remember reading up on it.
It's a
good
mountain
documentary.
climbing thing. A guy who climbs mountains without using ropes or anything.
Yeah,
super
it's
creepy.
crazy.
Super creepy if you have like height issues or like वो सब वो, but yeah.
It's good documentary. I think it was nominated as well. But
तू
anyway,
बात करता है 15-20 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा फिर बोलते हैं हमसे.
Yeah, because I want to extend it. People expect like a 3-hour podcast for our thing. And also, I feel like it bothers Kevin and Arnav for some reason.
Kevin is like, guys, I can't listen to us for more than 50 minutes, okay?
Kevin, 50 minutes, you can't even listen. I can't listen 5 minutes. Anyway.
Aggressive incoming messages from Kevin, but yeah. Anyways, कहा लिया? 4 बार
Thanks for
anyways बोल चुके अब.
Anyways. Thanks for listening to the podcast, guys. I'm going to end it here. Otherwise, we'll just keep talking nonsense. Even though maybe that's what you're here for. At least Amrit might be here for at least.
एक और anyway डाल ही दे अभी.
I'm going to keep on saying it now because Amrit pointed it out. Anyways.
Arnav, stop the recording.
You can find us on all the podcast services of your choice, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, and Spotify. We hope to see you in the next episode. Until then, stay safe, wash those hands.
Bye.